Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ria Jose of Technomaria.com and this is Diyosa Life TV. Today we're gonna be unboxing another gadget. It's the Samsung Core A01. It's a compact gadget. It's really small. And one of the best things about it is it's super affordable. It's only 3,990 pesos. If you're wondering if this is the right gadget for you and your budget, keep on watching. So the Samsung Galaxy A... So I've been saying it wrong, guys. It's Samsung Galaxy A01 Core pala, not Core A01. So anyway, today we're unboxing this smartphone. This is the Samsung Galaxy A01 Core and it only costs, would you believe it, 3,990 pesos. If you want to know if this is the smartphone for you, your needs, and your budget, keep on watching. All the seals are still there, which means I have not opened and I have not seen this at all. Let me show you the box first. The unit is color black and the ROM is 16 GB and the RAM is also 16 GB. So this might be the perfect gadget for students who are looking for a unit that they can use for their distance learning, or this can also be the perfect gadget for those who are working from home. Let's now unbox this unit. I'm excited because I haven't unboxed a smartphone from this price range in quite a while. I really love gadgets that are compact and sulit. I have unboxed some Samsung units before. If you want to watch those videos, just click on the link here or in the description box down below. No accidents this unboxing. I hope I will be very careful. So you are greeted with that one. It just says Samsung. And let's remove this. Let's see what's inside, if there is something inside. We just have the quick start guide, very important, and the warranty card. Once you remove that one, you can already see the unit. It's so small and it says here it has infinity display, slim design, and a reliable battery. So those are the three features that we want to highlight for you guys. Look at that, it's black. I think it's also available in another color, but I chose the black. It's so small. Look at that. It's smaller than my face. So it's just as big as my hand. Actually, the size is, I think, perfect for teenagers who need a phone for their distance learning. I said no accidents, pero malapit talaga siya mahulog. So let's slip it out from the protective covering and let's show you how the unit looks like. This is how it looks like. Ayan. This is a super nice design. It's just matte, but it's textured. I like this texture because it gives a bit of personality to the unit even if it's just color black. So at the back, we have one camera. And in front, we have one camera. So this is how it looks like. Comes with a triple slot SIM tray on this side. And on this side, you have the volume rocker and the power button. We have over here the audio jack, the USB, and the speaker. One of the features that you might like in this unit, it has a nice large display compared to the Samsung J2 or A2 Core, which has 5-inch display. This one has a 5.3-inch display and it also has a thinner bezel. As you can see, the gap from the edge of the smartphone to the display is super liit lang. It has a nice 18.5:9 ratio for the display, so that if you're watching videos, you're doing an online conference or an online class, it's a nice comfortable display. It's quite big for its size, whether you're using it in landscape orientation or portrait orientation. The display is quite large even if it's a small compact smartphone. Another thing that's nice about this unit is it comes preloaded with some of the most important apps that you use for work or for comes with Google Go, Gmail Go, YouTube Go, and Gmaps Go, which are all important if you're gonna use the smartphone for work or school. All the pre-installed apps are light, so you have more storage for other apps that you might want to install. The Samsung Galaxy A01 Core runs on the Samsung One UI 2.1 version. So it has a smart manager, it can run on dark mode, it has adaptive timeout, also has a smart pace function. And it comes with Google Play Protect so that your Samsung Core A01 is protected from harmful apps. If you're a scatterbrain like me and sometimes you forget where you put your gadget, it comes with a My Device app so that you can easily find your device if you misplace it. Another thing that you guys will appreciate and that I appreciate from this unit is that even though it's small, it comes with a 3000 mAh battery. Even if you have to use it for long hours or for a long time, you don't really have to worry about the battery running low. You don't really have to charge it often. This is a very dependable smartphone. Let's see what else is inside the box. It has a 2-in-1 charger, so the cable is already connected to the plug, to the adapter, and it also comes of course with this earphones, and syempre you also have the ejector pin for the SIM tray. Let's try to see how many SIM cards can be accommodated by the SIM card tray. There you go. So you can fit 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. That's everything that you get inside the box with the Samsung Galaxy A01 Core smartphone. The SRP for this smartphone is only 3,990. I think it's super sulit. This is a practical smartphone, small and compact, but powerful with a 3000 mAh battery and a large display. So if you already have a smartphone and you want a separate unit for specific work stuff or specific school stuff, so this is the perfect phone for that one. This could also be the perfect gift if you know somebody who needs a smartphone for their work from home or for their distance learning. It has a large display, a 3000 mAh battery, and it comes preloaded with the important apps that you need for work or for school or for your business. All the other specs and other details about the Samsung Galaxy A01 Core will also be on my blog, even the details that I did not mention in this video. So if you want to know more about this smartphone, go to my blog. It's technomaria.com, and it will also be in the description box below along with the important links. If you're convinced that this is the smartphone for you, you can get your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core unit from Itelcom stores around Davao City. I think they also have stores outside of Davao City. All the information about Itelcom will be in the description box down below and also on my blog. Maraming salamat. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that I was able to help you decide if this is the right smartphone for you. And if you need more details and more information, please don't forget to read the description box down below and visit my blog technomaria.com. If you have any questions about this smartphone, please leave a comment down below. If you know of somebody who's looking for the right smartphone for their budget and for their needs, share this video with them so that they can also see if this is the right smartphone for them. Again guys, maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit on the notification bell button so you will be updated if I have new gadget unboxing videos and other videos. Follow me on social media as well. I'm on Facebook. Just search for Ria Jose. And I'm on Instagram, Ria Jose Davao. Again, marami pong salamat. Get your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core from Itelcom today. Bye! See you in my next video.